सर हमें बताइए दीवाना हूँ मैं तेरा ये आपकी तीसरी फिल्म है।
हाँ जी, दीवाना हूँ मैं तेरा is a love musical film. It absolutely is my film, Bappi Lahri's film, and this song I'm adding. This song is like I have given disco music to this industry from 80, and this song is again, I think this song will be the terrific potential to be hit the young generation.
सर इसमें you're a producer also a music director भी हैं।
Yes.
तो how do you manage, how do you strike a balance of being a producer and a music director plus looking after the entire thing?
Because I have make a film like Rock Dancer with Samantha Fox Govinda, and then Bengali film Lal Darja is a Golden Lotus picture. Because so much years I am in this industry, about 30 years I am in this industry, so I have done so many albums, so many international stars linking, like this picture also Boy George Apache Indian has worked, and this picture I have revived in very newly concept, this picture Deewana Hu Main Tera, and this picture I think so for the new generation, and I have adding the songs, and I am doing music and production, produce as a producer, plus story is also mine, and also is the direction also, everything I have given. But I like to do some work, everything, like my son, my Bappi Lahri, this song has totally he has arranged and recorded, and he has got very good sense of recording and arrangements, and now I am very much very big little help. My son is so much in my music associate, he is helping me, that's why I can work both the things, like.
इस फिल्म में किस तरह का म्यूजिक है, क्या सिर्फ रोमांटिक
this two songs is totally is a dance chart song. One song Deewana Hu Main Tera, that's Suniti Chauhan and myself, and Poonam Jhavar is picturizing, and Suniti Chauhan also, she's coming and as an on, like she's singing in this song, and some of this line I am singing. It's like a TV shows going on the film, and other song Apache Indians, that's totally again arranged by my son Bappi Lahri, and it's totally new concept. Both the songs and Boy George, three songs are totally is absolutely a trendsetter or new generation.
How would you define the music of Deewana Hu Main Tera in a line? Like, how would you define the music of Deewana Hu Main Tera in a line? Like,
Deewana Hu Main Tera
का म्यूजिक आप कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे एक सेंटेंस में?
अच्छा, Deewana Hu Main Tera's music is dancing with the melody, dancing song with the melody, not today's all the songs like romantic songs, I should not say, but melody with the dance.
सर किस बेसिस पे आपने चुना पूनम झंवर को?
Poonam Jhavar is I like her last picture Mohra, and some of the other film I have seen, and she worked very nice, and she has in this picture 3-4 songs on her, like Meri Pehli Tamanna Tum Ho, this song Chun Liya Hai Lakhon Mein Jise, and especially I am boosting this song only, Deewana Hu Main Tera, because this is the blasting song.
सर हमें थोड़ी स्टोरी बताएंगे दीवाना हूँ मैं तेरा किस बारे में है, क्या प्लॉट?
It's a love triangle. It's Apache Indian, one of the hero. Mainly Apache Indian, first time he's doing is like as a pop star he's doing as a Apache, and in this picture I am also there in one of the song as a guest. Suniti Chauhan is there, but storyline is Apache, Poonam Jhavar, and one new boy Siddharth Dhawan he has done, and then one of the heroine Shatabdi Roy. But it's a very lovely triangular love story and very interesting.
So what do you expect of the film? How will the audience take it? What do you think?
Listen, like so many big films are coming, so many big films are flopped. I should not say my picture will be super duper hit, but I will try to give best of my things, and everything is like public is the main. Public should like my songs, public should like the film, and I'm doing for my lover, like music lover, who is Bappi Lahri's music they like. After a long time I'm coming with a bang, and I think so they will like the music, and if they like music and the film, I think picture will be very big hit.
So could you sing or hum a song for us from this film? Maybe a line.
दीवाना हूँ मैं तेरा, दीवाना हूँ मैं तेरा, दीवाना मैं हूँ, दीवाना तू है, दीवाना मैं हूँ, दीवाना तू है, दीवाना मैं, दीवाना तू, दीवाना मैं, अब छोड़ो डा 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 दीवाना।